What is up, my beautiful ninja family? Today we're going to talk about the top 4 ways to earn passive income while you sleep, and I'm going to debunk the #1 most common myth about earning passive income so that you can start making money today. This is going to be a good one, guys. Stay tuned. Oh!
On the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot. I need the top. If you know me, you don't know me to stop.
Alright, what is up, guys? So welcome to another exciting video. Today we're going to talk about passive income. But first, before we talk about passive income, we have to define what passive income actually is. So a lot of people tell me, hey Kevin, I'm working at McDonald's, I'm doing my thing, I'm working hard. Is that passive income? I'm getting a check every 2 weeks. And the answer is absolutely not. It doesn't matter if you work at McDonald's or you're an accountant or you're an engineer, right? If you're trading your time, if you're going to work, sitting in a chair, sitting in a cubicle, actually exchanging your time on this planet, that is not passive income. What passive income means is no matter whether or not you are directly inputting your time, whether you're sitting in your chair, sitting at your cubicle, at your job, right, you're still earning money. You could be earning money while you're sleeping. You could be earning money while you're out with friends. You could be earning money traveling the world, right? Passive income, what it means is it's automated and it's happening whether or not you're directly working on it, sitting in your chair, in your office, at work, at McDonald's, wherever you are, right? So passive income is the key to automated living, right? Being able to go and do whatever you want without having to directly work and still earning money to being able to do whatever you want, guys. And the #1 myth that I've heard about passive income that people talk about all the time is that you're able to start earning passive income tomorrow. I'm going to be realistic. You guys, if you follow the channel, if you're new here, welcome to the Ninja family. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on notification bells. But if you've been around and you've been watching me for a while, you know that I always say it straight. I'm always honest about everything, always fully transparent. You are not going to start making passive income tomorrow, at least not in a long-term, sustainable way. The methods that I'm about to teach you are the methods to earn thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, but it takes time to make them work. And anyone else on YouTube, anyone on TV, anyone that's telling you you can make completely automated passive income starting tomorrow, right, they're most likely lying, or they're trying to teach you how to become a drug dealer. So the methods that we're going to talk about right now are methods that are long-term, that you can actually use without going to jail, that will earn you money while you sleep. The good news is, guys, that passive income has what I like to call the snowball effect. And what the snowball effect means is you might not earn, you might only earn $100 your first week. You might only earn $500 your first month. But the beautiful thing about passive income, guys, is as it grows, it starts to snowball and gets bigger and bigger and bigger. You might only earn $100 your first week, $500 your first month, but your second month, you might earn $5,000, especially if you're actually putting in work and you're dedicated and consistent using the strategies that I'm about to lay out, guys. So let's get right into it. Method #1, guys, is Amazon affiliates. And before you tell me, Kevin, we've heard about this before, the problem with Amazon affiliates, guys, is that people are doing it wrong. They're doing it in non-scalable ways. Everybody thinks that they're going to start a blog and their blog's going to explode and they can, go off and retire in Thailand. That's just not how it works nowadays, right? It takes time and energy and effort to grow a blog and actually monetize it and get it ranked in Google. So we're just going to ignore that and we're going to go straight to the fastest possible method of making significant amount of money with Amazon associates. And how you do that is creating top 5 and top 10 lists of the best products in 2018, or if it's 2019, in 2019, or of June, of July, right, for the summer. You want to make it very specific to a current time frame because people want to watch a video of the most recent information, right? They don't want to watch a top 5 video, a top 10 video about the best cameras of 2013, right? Because that's obviously completely outdated. And so you see the people on YouTube, right, who are making the top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2018. Very specific, very new, right? People see that title and they see that information and they assume, okay, this is probably going to be the most recent data, and so they watch it, right? And I've heard people talk about this all the time. They say, Kevin, why do people make these top 5 or top 10 best videos about, the top 5 best digital cameras of 2018, right? They're not getting paid for that, are they? And that's the complete worst mentality about passive income. I can't even describe it to you guys. And so the reason that they're doing that, right, is it might take you 1 day, 2 days, 5 days, especially if it's your first time, to create a video about the top 5 DSLR cameras in 2018, right? Some of those videos literally get hundreds of thousands or millions of views. And if you get 100,000 views, right, and that's a very conservative estimate if you are making a high quality video and you are actually doing research about the best cameras, right, and you're presenting it in a fun, energetic, passionate way, right? The beautiful thing about that, guys, is even if you only get 100,000 views, which is very conservative, if 1% of those people actually convert and buy, that's 1,000 people actually buying from your Amazon affiliate link, and you get paid every time somebody actually buys that. And you don't have to set up a store. You don't have to set up a website. You don't have to do anything besides making one video, right? And you continue to get paid again and again and again. And the beautiful thing about YouTube is if you catch the viral system right, if you get one video that takes off, all of a sudden, guys, you could be making thousands and thousands or tens of thousands of dollars every single month in passive income just by making top 5, top 10 best reviews or tutorials about the best technology and then just simply linking it with an Amazon affiliate link. Method number 2, guys, is credit card rewards points. There's so many ways to make a huge amount of passive income, right, using credit cards the correct way. Because cards like, the Business Inc. Preferred from Chase, you can get 100,000 point bonuses just for spending a few $1,000s on your card that you would be spending anyways, especially if you have your own business, especially if you do any type of advertising, especially if you have, any type of expenses, you can put it on this credit card and you can literally earn money every time you spend money that you would already be spending. And if you use a credit card instead of a debit card, you get a ton of additional protection when it comes to fraud and when it comes to things like that. So there's absolutely no reason on earth that a human being would not use a credit card. There's only positive impacts of doing so. And if you do so intelligently, like signing up for, for the example, the Business Inc. Preferred, spending, $3,000 or $5,000 or whatever it is in the first 3 months, which you'd already be spending on your business or your life in general, you can make 100,000 points, guys. And remember, for 80,000 points, you can go anywhere in the world, literally anywhere in the world, round trips. You can have trips. You can have hotels paid for. You can literally get cash back if you want that. You can get Amazon gift cards. It's literally the same thing as cash, and no one is properly utilizing credit card points the way that they should be. So sign up for these mega cards, and I'll have a link in the description to sign up for the Chase Business Inc. Preferred, which is by far the #1 best credit card in the entire world, right? And you can earn hundreds of thousands, if not millions of points, which you can see right here. I've earned millions of points just spending money that you'd already be spending, and you can earn passive income by doing literally nothing. Method number 3 is one of my personal favorites and obviously one that's close to home for me, which is e-commerce. E-commerce is one of, if not the best way to make passive income for the long term, creating a sustainable long-term business on Shopify, on Amazon FBA, with a Facebook ad agency. It does not matter what you choose if you are doing things correctly and following someone who actually knows what they're talking about, like me, then you can have a hugely successful business literally within 1 to 3 months, guys. Yes, it does take time to create an actual long-term sustainable passive income stream, and a lot of other people might lie to you about that to try to get you to buy their products. But like always, guys, I'm going to be 100% honest and transparent with you always. And I'm telling you, you can literally build a passive income stream within 30 to 60 days if you do things correctly, guys. So Amazon FBA, and we're going to give super quick tutorials here because a lot of you probably know what it is. Amazon FBA basically means buying products in China for $1, shipping them to the USA inside of an Amazon FBA fulfillment warehouse where Amazon handles all of the hard work for you, and then buying them for $1 and selling them on Amazon for $20, and then you take the profit, guys. I still have Amazon businesses that I started literally 2 years ago that still make me every single day with legitimately zero work, zero work. They make me $1,000 every single day because I did the work up front, and now they're 100% passive income streams that make money whether I'm sleeping or backpacking through Europe, guys. Shopify, again, is an incredible way to make money with drop shipping. It basically means connecting the buyer and seller, and the manufacturer in China will ship it directly to your buyer who buys it from your Shopify store. You never have to see the products. You never have to do anything. There's no upfront investment. All you have to do is set up a Shopify store and set up your Facebook ad campaigns, and the rest is easy, guys. Or a Facebook ad agency, which basically means that you actually run marketing campaigns. You do the digital marketing. You run Facebook ads for other businesses, right? And if you run Facebook ads for other businesses, they pay you a monthly retainer, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, or more to actually run those campaigns for you. And again, guys, there's literally no upfront investment with a Facebook ad agency besides your brain. And if you know what you're doing with Facebook ads, you can literally help any business anywhere in the world. Every business needs some form of marketing. And if you have the skills, right? If you have the skills up here, then you can make a ton of money for your clients and obviously for yourself, which is 100% passive after you do set up the Facebook ads campaigns. And method number 4, which is my personal favorite, guys, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars completely passively with legitimately zero work using this exact strategy we are going to talk about in 1 second. But before we do, guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to our daily winners of thousands of dollars of prizes here, and here. All you have to do, guys, to enter if you want to win hundreds of dollars of cash, thousands of dollars worth of prizes every single day is do 2 things. Comment on this video right now, passive income ideas. Just those 3 words, comment right now, passive income ideas. And I need you to hit that subscribe button, turn on the little notification bells to know whether or not you are our next big winner, guys. And that is how you win thousands of dollars of prizes every single day from yours truly, guys. I love giving back to you. You mean the world to me. So, method number 4 is creating tutorials on YouTube. How it started, the beginning for myself and so many other people who become wildly successful is creating tutorials about how to do things. And let me give you a couple of examples of how this works extremely well, right? One of my friends, ODI Productions, if you guys don't know him, make sure you check out his channel, right? How he got started in this space was affiliate marketing for website domain providers. So what he literally did was he made a video, best way to make a website in 2017, right? And he made an hour-long tutorial about how to set up your WordPress, how to do all of these different things. And the main link in that video was an affiliate link for Bluehost. So every time somebody actually set up a website and used Bluehost as their domain provider, Odie got paid, right? And so I saw people that were doing this and I said, okay, well, I can do this too, guys, right? And so all you have to do is go out and find software and find, companies that provide affiliates, right? And then make tutorials on how to do things. And then you use their software or service in that video as the best way to do something, right? And then you get paid every time someone actually finds help from you getting set up and creating a website, for example. Another perfect example is Amazon FBA, right? When I started making Amazon FBA tutorials, what I did was I used Jungle Scout, I used Viral Launch, and in every video that I used those pieces of software, right, to just do product research, to find the best products, I had my affiliate link to purchase, Viral Launch because it was the software that I was using in the video, guys. And people that were watching that video, they clicked my link, they bought the software, and they started using the strategies that I was teaching in my tutorials to make money, right? And every time somebody bought Viral Launch from my link, I made money on every single one of those sales, guys. And that literally is the best way. I don't care what anyone else tells me. I've made hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars doing that exact strategy. And if you're thinking to yourself, Kevin, I don't have 200,000 people following me on YouTube. Guys, neither did I 1 year ago, right? This has all happened in 1 year. And I had 0 subscribers when I started. And you can start with 0 subscribers too. Just be excited, be passionate, right? Show your energy. It's contagious. People will watch you and YouTube will reward you for making good content, guys. Trust me when I tell you, YouTube affiliate marketing, creating tutorials on how to do things, especially when, those things require some type of software or service that has an affiliate program, is the #1 best way to make income completely passively in 2018, guys. Ignore all the other passive income ideas, right, besides the ones in this video, and just make tutorials helping people and use affiliate links for those softwares or services in your video, guys, and you will, I promise you, if you're consistent, start making a ton of passive income in 2018, guys. And don't be like the 99% of people who don't ever take any action, right? 99% of the people watching this video right now will not comment on this video. 99% of the people watching this video right now will not subscribe and turn on notification bells. And most importantly, guys, 99% of people will never take any action to actually create passive income streams in their lives. So be the 1%. Go out there, start hustling, guys. Make sure you kill it, and let me know when you start to make a ton of passive income from these 4 strategies. And until next time, ninjas, happy hustling.